Are you ready for a brand new kind of art? It's Crunch Art! Now you can crunch all kinds of things with Crunch Art. This fabulous fish comes to life. A rainbow of colors right before your eyes. The possibilities are endless. Crunch a critter, a creature, doll pants, a sneaker, a mat, a bug, a hat, a rug, a ball, a heart, a wall of art. Crunch Art makes it easy, and it all starts with the cruncher. Just lay any of the included fabrics or foils on a surface and crunch, crunch, Crunch Art. There's no paint, no messy glue, and it's easy to do. Go from this to this, from this to this, from this to this. We even include extras to make your creatures come to life. Look at all the possible creations you can make with Crunch Art. On this special TV offer, you can get everything you need to start crunching right away. You'll get the Cruncher, plus tons of colorful, shiny, and twisty Crunchables. Plus, we'll include these pre-designed pictures that make it easy to get started crunching right away. And they come with these two-sided foam blocks you can use again and again to make your own custom masterpieces. And once you get started, you'll find all kinds of new ways to crunch your way to unbelievable works of art. Plus, as a special bonus, we'll also include this extra pre-printed flower that you can crunch in no time. That's over 475 pieces, an awesome starter kit, all for $19.95 on this special TV offer. And remember to ask your operator about our extra crazy critter kit that has even more three-dimensional crunchy creatures. Discover a whole new kind of art with Crunch Art. Here's how to order.